Hello, my name is Christina Axtell and I will be your instructor for the summer session of English 270 Children's Literature. I just wanted to hop on and give you a brief update about the textbooks. So originally we were going to use the 9th edition of Essentials of Children's Literature, and then on Friday afternoon I got a message that the publisher wasn't able to get us copies in a timely manner and they don't have an ebook version of the 9th edition. So we had to make the just very quick decision to switch over to the 10th edition. So I have a physical copy of the 10th edition, and I just got access to the ebook. So I have to go through and update all the reading assignments. I'm posting the reading assignments for this week, modules 1 and 2, here on this announcement, and then within the next day or two, I'll have the rest of the schedule posted for you so that you can read ahead if you want. Every week you'll be completing 2 to 3 modules depending on how the math works out, because we're fitting 16 weeks into a 6-week course. You can work ahead, but you do have to finish a module before you can move on to the next one. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll be in touch with more information as it pops up. Please go and post those introductions to assure yourself a spot in the class, because I do have several people on the wait list, and if you don't post before Wednesday and complete the syllabus quiz, I will have to give your spot to another student. So any questions, just go ahead and send me an email, and hopefully we'll talk soon. Have a great night.